Okay, tonight we're doing this Mama's mac sauce. You just have to heat it up on the stovetop, so that's it for the sauce part of it. And for the pasta part of it, we're using brown rice pasta, gluten-free. And it's organic too. Okay, here is the information on the Mac Attack stuff and the ingredients. You can hear the pop. I'll take that off in a second. And here's the nutrition facts. Okay, we're gonna try it out. Macaroni and cheese.
Mama says eat your veggies. There are no veggies in here.
No veggies?
It's rice pasta.
What were the ingredients? There was some kind of vegetables in there.
It's good.
Yeah? Does it require salt?
No, but I might add it anyway. It's the creamiest macaroni and cheese I've ever had.
Nice. That's good. Yeah, I noticed it was creamy when I was putting it together. Okay, veggies. There's organic vegetable stock, nutritional yeast, lemon juice, Worcestershire sauce, Dijon mustard, date syrup, cashews. It's got cashews in there. It's going to be nutty.
Not many though.
Yeah, onions.
Doesn't have to be the same, but I was looking for a texture.
The rice, cook the rice a little longer. Okay, yeah, I see what you mean about cooking the noodles longer. A little bit. It's got little bits of onion in there, and I thought when I was cooking it that I had burned some of it on the bottom and it came off in a chunk, but it's not. It's really just onion that's in there.
I never thought of putting Worcestershire sauce and Dijon mustard into a macaroni and cheese recipe, but this works well.
Yeah, it's pretty good.